Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about what my toddler eats in a day. These are quick, simple and easy recipes. So let's get started. For breakfast, I prepared a spinach and vegetable pancakes. For that, into a bowl, I have added 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta flour, salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of Ajwain seeds or Carom seeds, handful of chopped cabbage and half a carrot grated. Into a mixer grinder, I've added baby spinach. This is 1 cup of baby spinach. Into that, I've added half a cup of milk, Bliss it, I have then added 1 egg into the mixture and then added the spinach and milk mixture. And then I've added another half a cup of milk, total 1 cup of full cream milk. The little one wanted to help in preparing the pancake batter. Now to go with the pancakes, I'm preparing a very simple and easy raita. So into a bowl I've added yogurt. Here I've used Greek yogurt, salt, flaxseed powder and also cumin powder. Mix them all together and the flaxseed raita is ready. And the spinach and veggie pancakes are ready. Serve it with the raita and I'm sure the kids will love it. Now for the mid-morning snack, I'm actually giving him blueberry and banana smoothie. Into a mixer jar, I've added 1 banana, 1 handful of blueberries, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend them all together and the smoothie is ready. You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yeah.
Okay, what smoothie is it?
Coriander.
Coriander? No coriander. It's blueberry.
Yes.
And?
Milk.
Milk? What milk?
Milk.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
And?
And banana.
Honey. Banana.
It's raining.
It's raining. Oh. For lunch, I made him a corn and peas pulao. So for that, into a pan, I've added 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is heated well, I've added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to splutter, I've added chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, 1/4 tomato chopped, and the veggies, that's corn and green peas. Mix them well. I've then added a little bit of water, a handful of black raisins, salt, pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them well. I have then added the soaked Basmati rice. Now this can be made with any rice available at home. Give it a mix. I have then added water. Cover and cook till the rice is done. As you see, the corn and peas pulao is ready. Now to go along with it, I also prepared a yellow split lentil curry with spinach. Into a saucepan, I've added 1 tablespoon of ghee, cumin seeds, and once the seeds started to splutter, I've added chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, half a tomato chopped, salt, turmeric powder, curry powder, the yellow split lentils. I have then added water. Cover and cook till the lentils are soft. Now once the lentils are soft, I've added 2 handfuls of baby spinach leaves. Mix well and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And the lentil curry is ready. Now for the evening snack, I had already prepared some coconut bliss balls the previous week, sharing the recipe with you all for that. Now into a bowl, I've added desiccated coconut. I'm then adding coconut oil, flaxseed powder, vanilla essence, cardamom powder, and coconut milk or cream. Mix them all together. As the sweetener, I've added stevia. You can even use normal sugar or any other sugar of your choice. Make them into balls. You can even stuff the bliss balls with nuts or even raisins as such, and coat them in desiccated coconut, and the coconut bliss balls are ready. For dinner that day, I made him oats and veggie porridge. Into a saucepan, I've added 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half an onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic. Once the onion and garlic had turned brown, I added the vegetables. So in this case I've used carrots, potatoes and cabbage. Season with salt and pepper. I've then added water. Cover and cook till the vegetables are soft. When the vegetables were halfway done, I added a handful of spring onions chopped. And half a cup of rolled oats. Added more water, cover and cook till the oats are soft. Serve it warm to your toddler. And the oats and vegetable porridge is ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you again, take care. Bye bye.